In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter promo code in Scoot Flight 2026. Open your browser and head to flyscoot.com/n. On the homepage, you'll see the booking panel where everything begins. First, choose your trip type. If you're flying to a destination and coming back, pick return. If you only need a single leg, choose one way. Selecting the right option here ensures you see the correct date fields and the right fares later on. Next, set your route. Click into the origin field and start typing the city or airport name. Pick the correct match from the suggestions so the system recognizes the airport code. Do the same for your destination. Take a moment to double check spelling and the exact airport, especially in cities with multiple airports, because promo codes often apply only to specific routes. Now choose your travel dates. Click the departure date to open the calendar, then select the day you want to fly. If you picked a return trip, select the return date as well. If your dates are flexible, you might notice different prices across nearby days, so feel free to scan around before locking it in. When you're happy with your dates, click Confirm to apply them to the search form. Set your passenger details next. Choose how many adults and add children or infants if you're traveling with family. This matters for pricing and baggage rules, and some promotions have conditions tied to passenger count or fare types, so it's worth getting this right up front. With the basics filled out, locate the promo code field in the same booking panel. Click into it and type your code exactly as it was provided, without extra spaces. Many codes are case sensitive and time limited, and some are restricted by route, travel period, or cabin type. If your code includes dashes or numbers, enter them exactly as shown. You won't be charged here, you're simply attaching the promotion to your search so eligible discounts can display. Finally, click the button to search for flights. The site will load available options for your dates and route. If the promo code is valid for your selection, you should see discounted fares or a promo label reflected in the results. If you don't see a change, review the code for typos, make sure your route and dates meet the promotion's terms, and confirm the passenger mix complies with any requirements. You can clear the field and re-enter the code if needed, then run the search again. That's it. Your promo code is now applied to your Scoot flight search. Happy planning and enjoy the savings on your trip.